Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore strategies to grow your wealth, improve your financial literacy, and help you achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Today, we're tackling one of the most important topics of our time: how to become rich in 2025. If you're ready to break free from financial stress, build wealth, and create the life you've always dreamed of, this video is for you. Grab a notebook, because we're diving deep into actionable steps, mindset shifts, and strategies that can transform your financial future. Let's get started. First things first, what does it mean to be rich? For some, being rich means having millions in the bank, driving luxury cars, or living in a mansion. For others, it's about financial freedom, being able to live life on your own terms without worrying about money. Here's an exercise for you. Take a moment to define what being rich means to you. Is it about earning a specific income? Is it about retiring early or providing a secure future for your family? Is it about freedom to travel, start a business, or pursue your passions? Write this down. Remember, your financial goals are personal, and becoming rich starts with clarity on what you want. Building wealth starts in your mind. The way you think about money, success, and opportunities shapes your actions. Let's explore 3 key mindset shifts you need to embrace. 1. The abundance mindset. People with an abundance mindset believe there's plenty of wealth and success to go around. Instead of saying, "I can't afford this," ask, "How can I afford this?" This small shift opens your mind to possibilities and solutions. 2. Long-term thinking. Becoming rich doesn't happen overnight. Wealthy people think in terms of years, even decades. They focus on delayed gratification, making sacrifices today for a better tomorrow. 3. Growth over comfort. Comfort is the enemy of progress. To build wealth, you must push yourself out of your comfort zone. Whether it's learning new skills, starting a business, or investing in unfamiliar markets. You can't build wealth if you don't know how to manage the money you already have. Here's a simple 3-step formula to get your finances under control. Step 1. Create a budget you can stick to. Use the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for necessities, rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, entertainment, dining out. 20% for savings and investments. Step 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is one of the biggest barriers to wealth. If you're carrying credit card balances or other high-interest debt, make it your priority to pay them off. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Set aside at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This safety net will protect you from financial setbacks. If you want to become rich, saving alone won't cut it. You need to make your money work for you through investing. Let's explore the best opportunities in 2025. 1. Stock market. Focus on index funds, ETFs, and dividend-paying stocks. These are low-risk, long-term options for building wealth. 2. Real estate. Real estate remains a powerful wealth-building tool. Whether it's buying rental properties, flipping houses, or investing in REITs, the opportunities are endless. 3. Cryptocurrency. While still volatile, crypto offers high risk, high reward potential. If you decide to invest, do your research and only allocate a small percentage of your portfolio. 4. Alternative investments. Consider options like peer-to-peer lending, startups, or even collectibles like art and rare wines. Diversify to protect your portfolio. In today's rapidly evolving economy, one of the best ways to build wealth is by increasing your earning potential. This means developing high-income skills that are in demand in 2025, such as tech skills. AI, machine learning, and software development are booming fields. Digital marketing, Every business needs help with SEO, content marketing, and social media. Sales and negotiation. Mastering the art of persuasion can open doors in any industry. Content creation. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or podcasting, creating valuable content can generate significant income streams. Invest in yourself. Take courses, read books, and practice consistently. Relying on one source of income is risky. The wealthy know this, which is why they build multiple streams of income. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Side hustles. Freelancing, consulting, or selling products online. Passive income. Create digital products like ebooks, online courses, or invest in dividend-paying stocks. Real estate. Rent out properties or explore house hacking. Investments. Let your money grow through stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. In 2025, technology is your greatest ally. Here are some tools to help you manage and grow your wealth. Budgeting apps. Mint, Inab, or Personal Capital. Investment platforms. Robinhood, Webull, or Acorns. Automation tools. Automate bill payments, savings, and even investments to stay consistent. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and open doors to opportunities. Attend conferences, join online communities, and seek out mentors who can guide you on your journey. Finally, remember that building wealth takes time and discipline. Stick to your plan, stay patient, and don't let temporary setbacks derail your progress. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to become rich in 2025. It's not about quick fixes or shortcuts. It's about making smart decisions, taking consistent action, and staying focused on your goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Share this video with anyone who needs a financial breakthrough. Together, we can build a wealthy and secure future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.